In the last lesson, I demonstrated crocheting the main body using dark green yarn. In this lesson, I will be using light pink yarn to show you how to crochet the wings. The yarn color for the wings is the same as the body, so no need to switch yarn. Just use the yarn from your crochet kit. The stitch pattern for the wing is chain 3, half double crochet, and then a single crochet. Let's take the yarn of the corresponding color and spread your palm out. First, loop it around your pinky finger. Then around your index finger. Pinch the crossing point of the two strands of yarn between your thumb and middle finger and pull the yarn tight. If the yarn isn't tight enough, pull on the tail below to adjust the tension. Now, take your crochet hook. Place it over the yarn. Loop it down and around. Then pinch the crossing point with your thumb. Yarn over with the hook and pull it through the loop. Press down with your fingers and pull the tail tight. Let me demonstrate that one more time. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger. Then loop it over your index finger. Hold the yarn tail at the crossing point with your thumb and middle finger. Position the crochet hook above the yarn. Wrap the yarn over the hook and pinch the crossing point tightly. Pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. Then use your fingers to hold down the loop while pulling the yarn tail tight with your other hand. Next, adjust the loop size, making sure it's close to your hand. Wrap the yarn around again and pull it through the loop. That's one chain stitch, forming a V shape like a single crochet. Wrap the yarn and pull it through again. That's the second chain stitch. Let's make a third one. Now, let's count them. One V is the first chain stitch, the second V is the second stitch, and the third V is the third chain stitch. If you're unsure how to work into the back loop, you can refer to our first video in round 2 where we covered it in detail. Next, go back to the second to last stitch, which is the middle stitch, and insert the hook into the back loop to crochet a half double crochet. First, pinch the starting chain with your fingers, then crochet a half double crochet HDC. To do the half double crochet, yarn over first, then hold the loop on your hook with your right index finger. Next, insert the hook into the back loop only below of the stitch. Yarn over again, pull the yarn through the loop on your hook, and then adjust the 3 loops on your hook by gently pulling on them. Finally, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook in one go. Next, in the next stitch, crochet a single crochet. Insert the hook through the back loop. Yarn over, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Then pull the yarn tail to tighten and trim the excess yarn. This is the chick's wing. Now, tie a knot. The first wing is done, and we need to crochet one more.